Create unique, multi-step approval workflows for multiple use cases. Add multiple approvers to each approval step and allow any or all reviewers to approve a post. To begin, go to Social. Click Approvals. Click the Create Approval button. Click the edit icon portrayed as a pencil and provide the approval title. Similarly, you can provide the step names. Click here to select the required approval from any or all approvers. Enter the approvers here. To add internal approvers, search by name and click on it, and to get approvals from external clients, enter their email. You can add up to 10 approvers under one step. Click on the Add step for multiple approvals. It helps in case the final approvers check and approve the content only after the initial check. Once the approval setup is done, click Create. You will be redirected to this page where the approval names appear. Hover over the 3 vertical dots and click Actions to edit, duplicate, disable, and delete the approvals. It's time to create a post and submit it for approvals. To learn more about creating social posts, check out our YouTube video, How to Create a Social Master Post. The link is provided under the description below. After the post is created, under the Approval section, click Select Workflow and select the approval workflow for review submission. Schedule the post, and you will be redirected to the social calendar to view the post. Note: guest users can now create posts and submit them for approval, with selecting an approval workflow mandatory for scheduling a post. Admins and owners, however, can bypass selecting a workflow and schedule a post directly. If the post hasn't been approved, you will view a clock status, indicating that the post is pending approval. All approvers will receive email notifications to approve or reject posts using the Approve and Reject buttons. Internal users can approve with one click, and they will log in to provide a reason for rejection. The internal users can also accept or reject the post under the Awaiting Approval section. Alternatively, click the post under the calendar. You also have the option to reject and approve here. You can also view the post details. External users can approve or reject directly from email, and for any changes, they can click View Post and land on the post on your Birdeye app to make the necessary changes or chat with your team. Hope you found this video helpful. For more how-to videos, subscribe to our Birdeye YouTube channel.